Hey there, beauty-savvy friends! Welcome back to Look's on a Budget, where we make premium pampering possible without the painful price tag. If you've ever dreamed of a skincare routine that looks high-end, feels luxurious, but costs next to nothing, today's video is for you. We're counting down 10 game-changing skincare dupes that deliver the same glow, hydration, and results as luxury favorites without draining your wallet. These aren't cheap knockoffs. They use similar active ingredients, textures, and benefits. And many even align with 2026 beauty trends like vegan formulas, cruelty-free testing, and sustainable packaging. We're going from number 10 to number 1, revealing the affordable dupe, the luxury product it replaces. Let's glow up on a budget. Number 10, Nivea Cream Face, Hand and Body. La Mer, the moisturizing soft cream. La Mer's iconic $200 cream relies on its famous fermented sea kelp miracle broth for hydration and skin repair. Nivea's $12 classic tin delivers glycerin, provitamin B5, and rich emollients that strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture just as effectively. Why ban La Mer? You're paying hundreds for basic hydration. Nivea delivers softness, glow, and repair for a fraction of the price plus recyclable packaging. Number 9, The Ordinary Lactic Acid 10% Plus Ha. Sunday Riley, Good Jeans. Good Jeans costs up to $122 for lactic acid exfoliation and brightness. The Ordinary offers the same 10% lactic acid plus hyaluronic acid for under $10, no fragrance, no fluff. Why ban Sunday Riley? Botanical extras inflate the price. This no-frills formula gives smoother, brighter skin without the luxury markup. Number 8, E.L.F Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. Glow Recipe's $36 serum gives dewy skin using niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. E.L.F $13 version delivers niacinamide, squalane, and hydration with the same glow minus the fruity fragrance tax. Why ban Glow Recipe? Cute packaging shouldn't cost extra. E.L.F is fully vegan, cruelty-free, and glow-approved. Number 7, Bliss Ex-glow-sion Moisturizer. Tatcha the Water Cream. Tatcha's $72 gel cream uses Japanese botanicals for lightweight hydration. Bliss provides vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and squalane for a similar pore blurring, radiant finish at just $26. Why ban Tatcha? Exotic ingredients don't outperform proven actives. This one delivers glow without the splurge. Number 6, Medicube Zero Pore Pads 2.0. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel Pads. Dr. Dennis Gross pads cost $92 for daily exfoliation. Medicube's $19 K-Beauty pads combine AHA, BHA, willow bark, and tea tree for smoother skin and minimized pores. The Dr. Dennis Gross exfoliation powered gently and affordably. Number 5, Prequel Skin Half and Half Fluid Moisturizer. Rhode Glazing Milk. Rhode's $32 Milky Essence focuses on ceramides and barrier repair. Prequel's $26 Biphase Formula blends ceramides, squalane, oils, and hydration for the same glazed, healthy skin effect. Why ban Rhode? Celebrity hype doesn't improve skincare. This gives you the Glow No influencer markup. Number 4, Onluky Red Light Therapy Mask. TheraFace Glow LED Mask. TheraFace $379 LED mask targets acne, wrinkles, and collagen production. Onluky's $116 version offers red, blue, and infrared light modes with cordless convenience. Why ban TheraBuddy? Over-engineered tech inflates cost. This delivers spa-level LED therapy at home 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3, Aldi Lacura Face Cream. Augustinus Batter, the cream. Augustinus Batter's $240 cream claims skin regeneration with its TFC8 complex. Aldi's $8.49 cream uses peptides, vitamins, and nourishing emollients for similar hydration and firmness. Why ban Augustinus Batter? The science is debated. Number 2 is Mario Badescu Seaweed Night Cream. La Mer Night Cream. La Mer's night cream exceeds $200 for overnight repair. Mario Badescu $22 formula uses seaweed, collagen, and elastin for hydration and plump skin by morning. Fermentation mystique doesn't equal better skin. Why ban La Mer again? This botanical dupe delivers real results. Number 1. Missha Time Revolution First Essence SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. SK2 $129 essence uses patera for clarity and anti-aging. Missha's $37 version features galactomyces ferment, delivering brighter, smoother, stronger skin as your first step. Why ban SK2? Rare ingredient pricing is the only difference. This K-beauty icon gives identical benefits. And there you have it, a complete luxury skincare routine for under $200. Compared 2000s if you bought the originals. These dupes prove you don't need to overspend to glow. Smart swaps mean better skin, more savings, and planet-friendly choices. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which dupe are you trying first?